We continue our modeling lessons, friends. No matter how much we make the model, no matter how many sketches we make, the interior and exterior designs we will make are really like this. We can also do something very, very perfect. Let's move on to the wall model here. The draw slats model CEZ, and the TV stand model here is CEZ TV. When we draw a shop and add some Behlul and Pa inside, we will have already drawn a TV. It's very simple, friends. Everything we've drawn and seen so far will be right here. Since I will provide you with these images, you'll have plenty of opportunities to practice with them. Since I will be giving you these pictures, you will have plenty of these. You can practice on these, friends. Look, I normally put on a skit. We drew that toaster. Now let's normally draw a wall, friends. The wall is very simple. Let's make sure it's scaled like this. Let's come from this part. It can be 250. That is 2 meters, 240, or 235. I drew a 30 centimeter wall, friends, and I raised this 30 centimeters up. Let's measure. Did we make a mistake? It's 80 centimeter. I'm increasing this by another 2 meters, friends. As you can see, my wall is complete. I quickly made an MEK group so that this doesn't merge with the others, friends, and I drew a floor underneath it. I'm going to draw, look, I drew a floor like this, and I handled it by making a group again, friends. Now I've come here. Look, let it be in the corner, like in the picture, in the old corner. In my drawing, I normally had my strips. Look, I have my strips right here. If we make the strips 2.5 centimeters, let's have about 10 or 20 of them come here. Friends, or depending on the gap here, let it come this much. It's very simple. Look, I brought it from here. Let's do the strip like this right away. What should it be? 4 centimeters? 3 centim. Let it be something like 280. Let's come here, like this. Let me get a little closer. Let it be 3 centimeters. The thickness is like this. Let it be a 2 centimeter strip, friends. Look, I have this thickness, this. Now I've come to this. He's double clicking. I'm selecting. I selected all of them and I said completely. I said credit. Friends, look, this is a process like this. Later I will duplicate from this. Look, there were duplication processes. As you know, we can see the duplication processes in this lesson. I duplicated it with the control key, friends. For example, I took a part from here using the control key. How many centimeters was this? Normally we had made it 2 centimeters. We had made it 3 centimeters. For example, let's say I came here. Look, let's have a gap in between. Look, let me say, Trozi like this. This got a bit messy. Now let me come this way. From here, friends, let me take this with the move command. I duplicated it from here. Look, when I do it like this, let it be a centimeter. No, the command is waiting here. If I write 10x in the command, it will duplicate it 10 times, friends. I'll write 15. It will duplicate 15 times. Look at the distance section at the bottom right. When I said 15x, under it placed 15 moldings. As you can see, this is how the process works. In the next part, we will see the coloring. Look, I have created 15 moldings here. Now I will do it here. The number of moldings here seems to be a bit higher. I can also make it 20 instead of 15. If it's still going, I did 20x. Look, I said 20 times. It has duplicated 20 times. What's in front of this, friends? Look, there is a TV stand that starts from halfway. Let's make the TV stand. It's very simple. It's already made up of squares. I came like this. Let me start from this part, friends. It's like this, Here is a 40 centimeter one. The TV, it's standing going upwards. Let me do another 40 centimeter operation. As you can see, I did it this way. I can do this very simply by dividing these parts into squares. Look, or I can do it like this. Look, let's specify a thickness from here. Let's say we specify a thickness of 2 centimeters. Then I push this a bit inward. Friends, I turn this back into a mat group. Then look, we can do something like this from here. From here, let's say I came like this. Look, let's go in like this and specify a section of 35 or 40 centimeters from here and lift it up like this, friends. Look, lift it up like this. Let's call this edit redo. Let's take it like this and leave it in there for a bit, like this. I'm calling this a component. Let's say credit. I'm going to leave a 1 centimeter space. From the left here, friends. Look, I checked this 1 hour gap. It's too much, so I'll leave 0.5. I'm duplicating this control again. Look, I'm going to leave a little space in between. That's fine. Then let's say 3x, friends. Look, it came here. 4, 5. Alt-X doesn't save us either, because it stays here since we're drawing without a scale. The method to do that is as follows. Friends, you come here, You select from here, from left to right. You bring this with the wump chair. Look, I brought it like this. Here. I left the opening here. Look, like this. I did these in a proportional way. Of course, we will see this process as a covering in the other part. Friends,